Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'll be taking you on a tour around this gorgeous Audi approved RSQ3 Sportback Sport Edition 2.5 Petrol engine, which gives off a very impressive 400 PS. It's finished in the beautiful, brilliant Mythos Black metallic paint and it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance, being an Audi approved vehicle. So if you do require any more information about this gorgeous vehicle, please do contact us on 01254 868 216. I'm going to start the 360 walk around. At the front of the vehicle, we've got the very striking matrix LED headlights with LED rear lights and dynamic front and rear indicators, just to give you the maximum visibility at all times, with the legendary RS badging there on the beautiful black tile grille at the front. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the absolutely stunning 21-inch 5.3 Sport polygon design alloy wheels in black, which look absolutely incredible out on the roads. Looking upwards, we have got the body coloured door mirrors, which was an optional extra from new. These door mirrors are all electrically adjustable and also electrically folding, so it is incredibly easy and handy if you are parking up in any type parking space, as well as them being heated, perfect for those winter months ahead. Taking a look in the back, where your passengers will definitely travel in the utmost comfort as possible, with the honeycomb full leather sports seats. They'll be able to fit 3 passengers very comfortably in the back of this RSQ3, and if you do only have the 2, you'll be able to put the centre armrest down with the added cup holders and the panoramic glass sunroof, which I'll talk a little bit more about in just a second. Moving to the rear end of the vehicle now, we have got all the RS body styling on this vehicle, including the RS specific front and rear bumpers, with the RS Sports exhaust system really adding to the driver's experience, as well as the RS Sport suspension. With the RSQ3 legendary badging there on the left, we can go and have a look in the boot on this RSQ3, as it definitely does not disappoint within the size and the practicality. It's a huge boot, perfect for all yours and your family's belongings, or any successful shopping trips or family days out. And you'll be able to put the rear seats down as more storage for things like such as flat pack furniture on the go. And the powered operated tailgate is extremely handy if you do happen to have your hands full. We've got the privacy glass at the rear and the rear side windows to give your passengers a lot more privacy in the back. Moving into the front cabin, we are greeted by such a flawless interior, what includes the RS flat bottom steering wheel with Audi's virtual cockpit, multimedia touchscreen, and as we turn around, we can see we've got the panoramic glass sunroof, really easy to operate, what bathes this RSQ3 in natural daylight, with the RS badging there on the top of the front sport seats. These seats are all electrically adjustable, so you'll be able to get your seats in the perfect driving position at all times, especially with the 4-way lumbar support also. With the RSQ3 Illuminated sills. So now that concludes 360 walk around, and now it's time to talk a little bit more about the technology back inside this RSQ3, what it has to offer. The door mirror controls are really accessible to you as a driver, so you'll be able to get your mirrors in the perfect position at all times. Making our way upwards, we've got automatic headlights, meaning it's one less thing for you to worry about, as all your journeys will be as easy and effortless as possible. Making our way onto the beautiful standout RS flat bottom steering wheel with all the steering wheel controls. To the left hand side, we have got the cruise control, making it really easy and comfortable to control your car, especially on long motorway journeys home, as it really does add comfort to the vehicle. Furthermore, we've got the steering wheel control, so from the left hand side, you'll be able to change the display of your virtual cockpit to suit your needs. And from the right hand side, you'll be able to change it through RS1 and RS2 mode to see how your vehicle is performing. But right in front of the driver, here is where there lies the virtual cockpit, what maximises on the convenience for the driver, as it is fully customisable as well. This RSQ3 has done 8,723 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really low mileage and really handy to have a spare key. We've also got the gear shift paddles on the steering wheel, but moving on, we've got the multimedia interface, which is fully touchscreen, what houses all your in-car entertainment. This uses the use of Apple Carplay or Android Auto, so you'll be able to easily and safely connect up your mobile phone on the go. With adapted digital radio, so you'll have an endless list of radio stations, so you'll be able to scroll through to your heart's content. You'll also be able to search using scribble technology or activate voice control to search. Media players will be able to connect up your favourite and loved devices and play your favourite songs on the go. And the telephone interface allows you to make those important hand-free calls so you'll never miss another one. And last but not least, we have got the HD sat-nav, so it'll get you from A to B with route guidance and live traffic updates. And you'll also be able to put Google Maps on. Now if we go into the car settings and Audi Drive Select, we have got the normal Drive Select mode, but on the right hand side you'll be able to customise your RS1 and RS2 modes. Further down we have got the 2-zone deluxe climate control, what means you and your passenger in the front will be able to have both sides of the car in a different temperature, as well as the heated seats perfect for those winter mums. The stop and start coasting system, and the automatic S-tronic gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake, just to make driving as easy as possible, with a front centre armrest. And finally, we do have all the panoramic glass sunroof controls here at the top, so it's really accessible to you and your passenger to control. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video on this Audi approved RSQ3 Sportback Sport Edition 2.5 Petrol engine. As it is an Audi approved vehicle, you will receive a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside with flexible finance packages. So for a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive now, please contact us on 01254 868 216, and thank you for watching.